To start a network rack design, select QuotePix, New Document from the Visio menu, and choose Network Systems. Click OK, and fill in the project properties. The property fields can be changed by clicking Define, but we'll use the default properties for this introductory demonstration. Certain properties will be used to automatically populate the title block that's located in the title block page of the file. The title block is also set to display on the other pages in the file. We'll cover the topic of how to create your own title block in another demonstration. The default Network Systems template opens Visio Professional's standard network rack stencils. If these stencils are sufficient for your drawing, you can begin your design by dragging from the stencil to the page. If you need other shapes to work with, you can also open any stencils and then save the working environment as a new Visio template or VST file. In this case, we opened several additional stencils containing Juniper Networks equipment that you can download at no charge from www.shapesource.com. We'll use them later to populate a new chassis with cards and components along with the standard Visio Professional networking shapes. As you draw, note that many of the shapes display a smart tag to designate that it will appear in the bill of materials. That's because this QuotePix template has been set to recognize the shape data or custom property field called part number as the information that identifies an item to be counted. You can see this in the Define BOM Items dialog from the QuotePix menu. You can turn off the smart tag display by clicking the bulb icon in the QuotePix toolbar. You may want to do this if your drawing becomes dense with BOM items. Click the smart tag and uncheck the box to change it to unlit if you do not want the item to be included in the BOM. You may want to add shapes that do not have part number fields for shape data. If you have shapes in the drawing that you want to include in a BOM, select one or more of them in the Visio drawing and then click QuotePix Convert Shapes to BOM Items. QuotePix will add the shape data field that is designated in the Define BOM Items dialog to identify shapes as BOM items. As you assemble your drawing, the QuotePix BOM status window displays the BOM items. The Roll-Up tab shows a total of all items in the file, and the other tabs show quantities for individual pages according to their page name. Enter the part number, price, quantity, etc. into the shape data window for each selected part. QuotePix will still count items if you do not enter values, but its list and reports will be less descriptive. If you are a Visio 2007 professional user, you can use the data linking feature to populate equipment shape data. Select Data, link data to shapes, and follow the wizard to open the external data window. Then select Auto Link and follow the wizard to automatically populate the shape data such as part number and unit price. This takes just a few seconds and relieves you of a very time-consuming manual task. You now have the information you will need to generate a report. You can modify the page name just as you normally would in Visio, and this will be reflected in the BOM status window. To change the name, double-click on the Page 1 tab at the bottom of your drawing window and enter a name such as Wiring Closet. To add a new page, use Visio's standard procedure. Select Insert, New Page to use the Page Setup dialog to configure your page. For example, if you want a new chassis on another page, enter a descriptive page name such as E320. Visio places the New Page tab at the bottom of the drawing window, but it may not be in the sequence you want. For example, drag the tab to place it after Wiring Closet. Note that the BOM status window shows the new page E320 to display parts added here. Assemble the front and rear views of the chassis on this new page by dragging elements from the Juniper E320 stencil and snapping them together. The BOM window updates the roll-up and page tabs as you work. QuotePix enables you to specify which pages to include and exclude from the BOM status window and its reports. Select QuotePix Include Pages and check the pages you want included. In this case, let's generate a quote report just for the wiring closet page. The templates provided with QuotePix include an Excel template that you can use to output BOM information to a format suitable for delivery to a customer. If the QuotePix Excel templates do not fit your needs, you can create your own. We'll cover that topic in another demonstration. To generate a BOM, select QuotePix Report Generate. The QuotePix help file provides more detailed information on specific features and options. Select QuotePix Help to view the help file. Thank you for viewing this introductory demonstration on getting started with QuotePix for network systems.